Harvested directly from the earth, these stems carry the weight and soil of the plantation.
Hydraulic loaders ensure the heavy stems are moved safely.
Initial inspection confirms the raw condition before the cleaning stage begins. Powerful jets strip away the layers of field soil and impurities. Mechanical scrubbing ensures a deep clean for the outer surface.
Splitting the logs exposes the inner sheaths.
What remains are long, strong strands of natural fiber.
Clean and sap-free, the fiber is ready for drying.
Short fibers are collected separately for recycling.
The result is a continuous flow of high-quality white fiber. Grading is done strictly by length and color purity. Controlled heat removes moisture without damaging the texture.
Deep in the heart of modern agriculture, the banana stem begins its journey. Often overlooked, these sturdy stems possess incredible industrial potential. Skilled teams prepare for the harvest, selecting only the mature stems. Precision is key. Only stems of specific diameter and hydration are chosen.
A single, clean cut separates the stem from the root system.
Harvesting requires controlled handling to prevent damage to the fibers.
Harvested directly from the earth, these stems carry the weight and soil of the plantation.
Excess material is removed instantly, leaving only the usable trunk.
These water-dense stems can weigh over 50 kilograms each.
Specialized steel carts are brought in for efficient collection.
Raw and unprocessed, the stems are loaded with field impurities still attached.
Stacking must be precise to maximize transport capacity.
Quality control begins right here in the field.
The harvest is consolidated at the main loading dock.
Heavy transport units arrive to ferry the raw material.
Hydraulic loaders ensure the heavy stems are moved safely.
Once secured, the cargo is ready for the journey.
Leaving the fields, the convoy heads toward the processing plant. Time is essential to preserve the moisture content within the stems.
Multiple loads arrive daily to keep the factory running continuously.
The logistics chain is a vital link in this agro-industrial process.
Arrival at the processing facility marks the next phase. Every shipment is weighed to track yield and efficiency.
Precision docking connects the transport directly to the intake line.
Tons of raw banana stems enter the production line instantly.
Before any processing can begin, the heavy layer of field dirt must be addressed. Initial inspection confirms the raw condition before the cleaning stage begins. The automated system takes over, maintaining a steady flow. Inspectors ensure only healthy stems proceed to the washing stage. High-pressure jets remove field soil and debris. Powerful jets strip away the layers of field soil and impurities. Mechanical scrubbing ensures a deep clean for the outer surface. Rotating brushes ensure a deep clean for the outer layers. Transformed from muddy to pristine, the stems are now ready for processing.
Now pristine, the stems are ready for mechanical breakdown.
Automated saws cut the stems into precise lengths.
Gravity feeds the segments to the splitting station. Splitting the logs exposes the inner sheaths.
The outer skin is removed, leaving the fiber-rich core.
The decorticator is the heart of the operation.
Rollers crush the cellular structure to release the fibers.
High-speed blades scrape away the pulp.
What remains are long, strong strands of natural fiber.
Workers collect the raw fiber for the washing phase. Even raw, the tensile strength is evident. Thorough washing removes residual sap and sugars.
Gentle agitation cleans without tangling the strands.
Clean and sap-free, the fiber is ready for drying.
Excess moisture is pressed out from the clean white fiber.
Proper spacing ensures even airflow during the drying stage.
Industrial dryers accelerate the curing process. Controlled heat removes moisture without damaging the texture.
Emerging dry, the fiber is now lightweight and bright white.
Advanced sensors guarantee precise moisture content.
The dried fiber is harvested from the line for refinement.
To improve texture, the fibers undergo mechanical softening.
Flexing the strands increases flexibility and usability.
A light organic treatment conditions the surface.
Combing aligns the fibers and removes short strands.
Short fibers are collected separately for recycling.
The result is a continuous flow of high-quality white fiber. Human inspection ensures consistent quality grading. Grading is done strictly by length and color purity.
Automated knotters create uniform bundles.
Precision weighing guarantees customer satisfaction.
Samples are tested to the breaking point for quality assurance. The cellular structure confirms the fiber's integrity.
Finished bundles are aggregated for final packaging. Baling compresses the fiber for efficient shipping. High-tension straps secure the dense bales. Traceability is maintained from field to factory. Nothing goes to waste. The green pulp is collected separately. Liquid is extracted to create a dry biomass. This organic byproduct serves as excellent fertilizer or fuel. Process water is filtered and recycled back into the system. Sustainable practices turn leftovers into rich compost. Extracted sap is bottled as nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. Every part of the banana stem creates value.
The final bales of pure white fiber stand ready for the global market.
One final check ensures the shipment meets all textile standards. Protective wrapping shields the delicate fiber during ocean transit.
Logistics teams take over for the final distribution phase.
Containers are packed to maximum capacity with high-grade fiber.
Sealed and secured, the product is ready to ship.
The cycle completes as the processed fiber leaves the facility.
From textile industries to paper mills, the demand is global. Banana fiber is a testament to sustainable innovation.
A high-tech transformation from simple agricultural waste to global resource.